Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Replit for Python. The first thing I want you to do is go to replit.com, make sure you're logged in. You click here on login, and you can even use your Google account or any of these other options like GitHub, X for example. And then you just come here once you're logged in, right? What I want you to do, and once you're logged in, you come here under Explore Replit, you click on Developer Frameworks, and here you can just search for Python, right, under languages. So here, see Python right here, click on Python. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and use this. So right now, here's a preview, here's the coding, right? You have a console right here that you can use. So you can click here on Remix, and now you can create with Python. So you can go to name your project whatever you want. You're using this template. You can choose your privacy, either public, and you can add a description if you want, and then you click here on use framework. Okay, you do that, and then it will go ahead and redirect you right here to your workspace, and this is your console, and you can begin using the Python framework. So it's really that easy, and when you're ready you can just run it right here. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.